an accident or have some dents or dings? Our new mobile estimate tool makes it easy. Just visit teamcollision.net and select your location. We'll text you a link to our tool and ask a few simple questions. Then you can scan your VIN number and start uploading photos of the damage. We may have a few more questions to wrap things up. And then we'll text you back an estimate in under an hour. Visit teamcollision.net to learn more about one of our 3 locations in Princeton, Ewing, and Langhorne.